simplify the following. Theta squared minus phi squared all raised to power negative a third times theta minus phi all raised to power 4 over 3 times theta plus phi all raised to power a third. So the first thing is just to simplify this portion, and we can use the quadratic identities. These are different of squares. So remember, when you have a squared minus b squared, that is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So we can use that to simplify the first bit. So we're going to have a big bracket, and then we have theta plus phi, then we close that in bracket, and then times theta minus phi, then we'll close that in bracket, and then the bigger bracket, and then there's the power, which is negative 1 over 3. Then times, this is just theta minus phi, and it is raised to power 4 over 3 times, and the other one is theta plus phi, and that is raised to power a third. So you can open up this first bracket using laws of indices. You can share out this power between the two numbers there. So we can have this as theta plus phi raised to power negative a third times the other one, that is theta minus phi raised to power negative a third times this one here, which is just theta minus phi, and that is raised to power 4 over 3 times this one is theta plus phi raised to power a third. Now we can collect the like terms together, the ones which look alike. Like we have theta plus phi, and there's another theta plus phi, so we can bring them close. So we have theta plus phi, this is raised to power negative a third, and then we bring this one close, that is theta plus phi, it is raised to power third. Then the others, that is theta minus phi, so times this one right here, which is theta minus phi, it is raised to power negative a third, then times this one here, theta minus phi, which is raised to power 4 over 3. So now we can apply the laws of logarithms now that, laws of indices now that we have common bases. So between this and this, there's a multiplication. So remember, when you have a power n times a power m, you are supposed to have a power n plus m. So I'm going to apply that for the first two cases and the second two cases. So let us do that. So for the first case, we have theta plus phi, now raised to power negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times, this is now theta minus phi, this is raised to power negative a third plus the other one, which is 4 over 3. So we can simplify the powers. Now for the first one, we have theta plus phi. Now the LCM between 3 and 3 is just 3. So 3 into 3, 1. So we have minus 1, 3 into 3 1s plus 1. And then times the second case, that is theta minus phi. The LCM is again 3. So we have 3 into 3, 1 times negative 1, then plus 4. So for the first case, we have 0. So that is theta plus phi raised to power 0 times the second case, we have negative 3, negative 1 plus 4, that is 3. So 3 over 3 is 1. So in the second case, we have theta minus phi. All of this is raised to power 1. So remember, according to the laws of indices, A number raised to the power 0 is the same as 1. So it means the first part, that is theta plus phi raised to the power 0 is 1. So we have 1 times this is raised to the power 1. So it remains the same as that. So that our final simplified form is theta minus phi. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.